are being killed with pellet guns and machine guns, and when they are injured, they cannot get hospital treatment. They are dying through torture and inhumane treatment by the Indian government, who claims to be the world's biggest democracy. This is what is actually happening in Kashmir. 1 million forces keeping 8 million civilians inside their houses. Imagine if you had no food, no water, no medicine. What would you do? People would still go and protest, and that's what they are doing outside on the streets. And we want to support them. As Maulana Nabil Afzal said, this was raised in the United Nations a long time ago, and a United Nations resolution was passed that the people of Kashmir should have the right to self-determination and decide what they want. However, for nearly 70 years, nobody has done anything. And now when human rights abuses are taking place, United Nations are silent. America, the world's policeman, is also silent. UK, which claims to be the mother of all democracies, has a legal, ethical and moral duty to resolve this issue. The reason is, when India, by the East India Company, was partitioned into India and Pakistan, the UK under Lord Mountbatten had the responsibility to resolve how India and Pakistan would be split. They left Kashmir as an undecided issue. This is the responsibility of the UK, ethically, morally, and most importantly, legally. We want our local leaders, councillors, representatives, our national leaders, MPs, our international representatives, MEPs, and other organisations to take notice and ask the British government to finish off their unfinished business. Don't say this is a matter between India and Pakistan. You left this dispute between these two states. You have a duty to resolve it. So it's a shame on the British government for not doing anything and saying this is for Pakistan and Kashmir only. Shame on the United Nations for not doing anything and saying this is responsibility of Pakistan and India. When good people of all the world remain silent, what happens? People like Hitler rise up, and they killed over 1 million innocent Jews.
6
6
million
innocent Jews.
6 million.
Modi is a Hitler.
Modi, Hitler, Modi, Hitler, Modi, Hitler, Modi, Hitler, Modi, Hitler, Modi,